Have you ever felt like your money disappears faster than it comes in? You're not alone, and the good news is, there are simple and effective ways to change this. In this video, I'm going to share 10 practical tips to save money that you can start applying today. It's not about making huge sacrifices, but about adopting habits that will help you make better financial decisions. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Take care of what you already have. Taking care of your belongings not only extends their lifespan, but also saves you money on unnecessary repairs or replacements. From clothes and shoes to appliances, everything you own requires a certain level of maintenance to stay in good condition. For example, regularly cleaning your washing machine or descaling your coffee maker can prevent them from breaking down prematurely. The same goes for your car. Following the recommended maintenance schedule can save you from costly problems in the future. And what if one day you decide to sell something? If it's in good condition, you'll get back some of the money you invested. So remember, taking care of your things is taking care of your wallet. 2. Save on food without sacrificing quality. Food is one of the areas where we spend the most, but also where we can save the most. A diet based on fresh and minimally processed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, rice, and legumes, is not only healthier, but also more economical. Also pay attention to portions. Many times we consume more than necessary, which not only increases spending, but can also affect our health. By planning your meals and adjusting portions, you'll reduce waste and save significantly. 3. Shop on sale and buy in bulk. If there are products you use regularly, such as toilet paper, detergent, or non-perishable food items, take advantage of them when they're on sale. Buying 2 for 1 or 3 for 2 can represent considerable savings in the long run. On the other hand, buying in bulk can also be a great strategy, as long as you have space to store the products. Just make sure that what you buy is something you're actually going to use. Otherwise, you'll just be accumulating unnecessary things. Reuse, recycle, and be creative. Before throwing something away, ask yourself if you can give it a second life. For example, you can transform a glass jar into a spice container, or turn an old t-shirt into cleaning rags. Creativity is your best ally to save money. Even on special occasions like Christmas, you can decorate your home using recycled materials. This will not only save you money but also promote a more sustainable lifestyle. Organize your trips. Making unnecessary trips in the car not only consumes gas, but also your time. Before you leave, plan your routes to make the most of each trip. For example, if you need to go to the supermarket and pick up a package, organize both activities to do them in a single trip. This simple habit can considerably reduce your transportation expenses. Go shopping with a list. A shopping list is your best weapon against impulse purchases. Before you leave, write down exactly what you need and stick to it. Not only will this make your shopping trips faster, but it will also prevent you from spending money on things you don't really need. Plus, if you already know what you're looking for, you're less likely to be distracted by promotions or trendy items that don't add value to your life. Invest in quality, not quantity. Buying quality products may seem more expensive at first, but in the long run it's one of the best ways to save money. Well-made shoes, a reliable appliance, or even better quality clothes tend to last longer and offer better performance. Remember the saying, you get what you pay for. So, before opting for the cheapest option, think about whether it's really saving you money or if you'll end up spending more by having to replace it soon. Be true to your style, not trends. Trends are fleeting, but your personal style is unique. Don't fall into the temptation to buy things just because they're fashionable, whether it's clothes, accessories, or gadgets. For example, do you really need that latest kitchen gadget everyone is buying? Ask yourself if it fits your needs and lifestyle before spending money on something that might end up collecting dust in a drawer. Set clear financial goals. When you have a concrete financial goal, it's easier to make conscious decisions about your spending. Whether it's saving for a trip, a car, a house, or simply for an emergency fund, having a clear goal will motivate you to spend more wisely. Every time you face an impulse purchase, ask yourself, does this get me closer to or further away from my goal? This simple exercise can help you stay focused on what really matters. Know yourself. This last tip is perhaps the most important. Get to know yourself. Understanding what you truly value and enjoy will help you avoid spending on things that don't bring you happiness or usefulness. For example, at first glance you might want to buy something just because it looks interesting, but if you stop to think about it, you'll realize you don't need it, or that it doesn't fit your lifestyle. When you know yourself well, your financial decisions become more intentional and effective. Bonus: think before you spend. Before making any purchase, take a moment to reflect. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I use it often? Does it make me happy, or am I just getting carried away? These questions may seem simple, but you'll be surprised how much they can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and save money in the long run. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated or mean depriving yourself of what you love. With these 10 tips, you can start making smarter decisions and build a more stable financial life. If you liked this video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share your own money-saving tips in the comments. See you in the next video.